you've just joined us, you're welcome. Yeah, just bear with me. I'm just trying to get a few settings, but we're looking at East distilling up 258% roughly. It was actually up around by around the gain was around 280%. It has lost around 20%. We currently have the price right on the lower line of its price channel. We might see a rebound. Yes, just as I expected. Some strength has come back into the stock. The gain is now 263%. At some point, we were looking at around 257%. I think there's some news out there concerning the stock, but I'm not exactly. We might be able to find out here on Trading View. We're counting down to the open of today's session. We have roughly 22 minutes before the market opens. East Distilling Inc. The spirit maker stock skyrockets to 160% in pre-market after announcing merger with mortgage tech company. Okay, so it's a merger, and it's good for those who were there already. Maybe there might be scalping opportunities here. So this is a daily chart. It's not reflecting what's going on right now in the market. Maybe we have to look at a 1 minute chart and see. Yeah, it reached the highs of around $3 in this pre-market session. Now has cooled off to $202.75. So there's a potential to retest those highs, but since it's a merger, there's a good chance that this gain will still remain intact by the time the market opens. 2.76 is a projection. It's coming towards that now. 2.79, 2.82, all the way towards 2.91, and who says it can't challenge 3.06. Okay, what else do we? Okay, let's look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, projections go all the way towards $3.2, approximately 3.21. So the next upper projection is 2.78. Above that we have 2.9, 2.94. Yeah, 2.94. Next is 2.97, 2.99. 3.02. I think that's a projection we have on the topmost projection we have on the 1 minute chart. 3.09 and all the way towards the 3.21. This is the 5-minute chart for East. Yes, if you just joined us, thank you very much. Drop a comment. Indeed, we can always have a look at any other stock. It doesn't have to be East. There's also, indeed, we're also looking at other stocks. We're going to have a look at AIEV and AI, I want to believe. That's what we're going to do, I think. So the 15-minute chart, so there are no upper projections here. We've seen it, we saw this rejection at $3, 3.02 on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, same as well. No upper projection. Indeed, there is a downward projection, 1.2 to 1.28. before now, uh, the extrapolation was predicting that we're gonna see higher prices. But okay, so we have 1.46. It has since surpassed that, given what's going on right now in this regular session. Yeah, let's come back to think and swim. So it's consolidating. What are the odds that it's going to more volatility will come in when the market opens? Who knows? There might be. Since it's a merger, there's a good chance it's not going to fizzle out, unlike what we normally see with other stocks. When the market opens, everything goes away. The people that initiated the volatility in the pre-market session take their money out, or yeah, and becomes a trap for those who didn't have the access then to, because it becomes a trap for them, when the market opens. Okay, let's see. This is it's the intraday high, 3.15. Okay, I think next one is next up we are looking. We should look at is AIEV. I think some folks on some folks on some folks on stock tweets are trying to associate AIEV with East. Okay, so nothing's really going on here. We have an intraday high of 0.8770. Right now the stock is just slightly above slightly above the lower line of its price channel. Nothing is really going on here. Some folks want to talk it up. They want to talk it up and see. Let's see. AIEV. It hasn't been trading for a long time. Best to avoid it. Okay, let's have a look at AI, C3 AI, C3.ai. Okay, yeah, up, okay, down 18.77%. Yesterday was up. Oh, this is right now live. Okay, so interesting. It's really interesting to see what's going to happen with this 19.04% decline. It's providing scalping opportunity. We're counting down to the open of today's session. Market is opening in roughly 40 minutes or thereabout. Okay, intraday low of 18.18. Okay, just in as much as the stock is down, but it's providing there's some activity going on here. There's an upward trend, mini trend if you like, and the stock is just right on its the upper line of its price channel, and we have seen that it's getting let's I think this is its 10 period moving average is serving as a primary demand line. We saw that we saw it trade rather the data here is indicating that it traded all the way down to to the lower line of its price channel, indicating that yes, a rebound was going to happen, and that was what happened. And and rebounded all the way towards okay, actually this is its 10 period moving average, so it's actually its 20 period moving average that seems 20 period, yes, that seems to be a primary demand line. Yes, yeah, 20 period moving average, is that it? No, it's 10, actually the 10 period moving average seems to be the primary demand line here for AI stock. So deep buyers are definitely involved in what's going on. We can see, we will try and see whether there's any news concerning AI stock. So Wedbush got its target on C3.ai to $30, maintaining an outperform rating. Morgan Stanley lowered its target to $21, keeping an overweight rating. Target vary from $15 to $40. Piper Sandler cut its target on C3.ai to $24 per share from $29. Let's see whether we have any research on AI. Okay, it has no report. There's no report. There are a couple of reports, but none from Morningstar. A couple of them here. Some are from Refinitiv, CFRA quantitative report, 30th of August. Do we bother reading it? Price volatility risk high, liquidity risk low. So we have roughly 9 minutes or thereabout before the market opens. Yeah, we're trying to see what the news is on AI stock. C3AI's shares fell after the company reported subscription revenue that missed market expectations and said it expects an operating loss in the current quarter. In pre-market trading, that's where we are. That's where we are right now. Shares are down, yeah, roughly 19%. The enterprise artificial intelligence company's stock is down nearly 20% after the bell. Redwood City, California company posted a loss for its after the bell yesterday, Wednesday, the 4th of September. The company reported a fiscal first quarter loss. First quarter of $62.8 million or 50 cents, compared with a loss of 64.4. So it's actually a loss of 62.8%. Revenue for 3 months ended July 31st rose 21% to $87.2 million, and a 20% rise in subscription revenue to $73.5 million. So this is its daily chart. So where's it trading at right now? $18.65. So the price is actually not on actually lower. It's actually trading lower than all the projections we have here. Okay, so it's the 10 period moving average still playing an important role in the stock. Yeah, you can see still serving as a primary demand line. So it's going to be interesting to watch how things pan out when the market opens for AI stock. Okay, we're 2 minutes to the open and a lot of things have happened. Yeah, this 10 period moving average is it's a line to watch. It's coming back right now. It's just pulled back into its price channel. Let's see how things will turn out. We're counting down to the open. We have roughly 2 minutes. Yeah, 1 minute and 48 seconds. Let's see. Let's look at yeah, this is the 4-hour chart for AI. So it's clawing back some of the losses. Who knows what's going to happen when the market opens? Yeah, we're seeing another spike, recovering some of the losses. Counting down to the open. The market is open now. Okay. It's recovering some of the losses. Yeah, that 10-period moving average. Are we going to see a rebound again? I think we're going to see. Yeah, we've seen a rebound. The buyers are in effect here. So it's challenging. Are we going to see a higher price? 19.6. Yes, we've seen a higher price. Yeah, it's rebounding seriously. Yeah, fizzled out. Maybe when it comes back into the price channel, we might see if that will be an opportunity for us to get involved. Just right on its price channel coming back in. still very much far away from its 10-period moving average. It's been serving as a primary demand line for some time now. Let's see what's going to happen when it's going to come back to it. It's coming close. Yeah, just right on it. Are we going to see a rebound? So the loss is 16.7, 16.51. Are we going to see a rebound? We were seeing rebounds in the pre-market session, but the regular session is different. There are a lot of market participants involved, a lot more, a lot. So patterns can change. I'm not just going to rely on what has happened in the pre-market session. Yeah, it's working again. 16, that 10-period moving average is definitely still serving as a primary supply line. So we have seen some recovery of the losses. Yeah, definitely looking at it. So maybe if it comes back in again, we might try to get involved if we're still around. While we're looking at that, we can look at Tesla and see what's going on. Tesla is up 2.53%. Nvidia is up 0.8%. Yeah, some recovering a lot more of the losses, recovering a lot more of them. Challenging this price of 19.95. Yeah, 19.96 now. Okay, yeah, 20.19. The buyers are here recovering and recovering, buying the deep, buying the deep. Yeah, just came close to that 10-period moving average. Okay, yeah, rebounding again. Missed that opportunity. It has recovered roughly 18%, sorry, roughly 7% of all the losses it lost in this pre-market session, earlier on in the pre-market session. So this 10-period moving average has just been primary demand line. Each time it comes there, spikes again, and it worked in the pre-market session. It has worked so far in this regular session. So we're really tempted to get involved, but we want to see if it's going to pull back, and we'll do something about that. So let's see the same thing here on trading view on a 1 hour chart, 1 minute chart. Okay, so it's trading at a premium to all of its Fibonacci projections. Yeah, thank you. If you just joined us, drop a comment, like and share. We're watching how the deep buyers are reacting to AI's deep. And as I was saying earlier on, this 10-period moving average and this 1 minute chart has just been serving as a primary supply line, primary demand line. Each time it comes close, it rebounds. We're trying to see if we can take advantage of that. We take advantage like the other scalpers have been doing so. So the loss earlier on was around 18%, but it has recovered roughly 6 to 7% of those losses. Trying to see if an opportunity will arise again to get involved, but there's a good chance there won't be a lot to make out from these very short-term rebounds. Yeah, but we'll see how it goes. So I think, okay, we definitely this is a volatility recovery, volatility bubble in recovery. So it might I think it's trying to consolidate before we see anything spike out again beyond the price channel or anything close to that, but I could be wrong. The 10-period moving average is rising to meet the price itself. we just did. And did we miss that opportunity? I think we did. It just came close again. And yeah, okay, still active. Still active. Is it going to rebound? It's doing so. Not brave enough to get involved. It's too momentary. But yeah, I see that. Each time it comes close, it does. It rebounds. Just did that now. That's the current trend. That's the current trend. The scalpers, the market participants buying this deep are really observing what's going on. There isn't, and they're trading that. They're trading the signal a lot. The market has just opened. Let's see what's currently going on. East, yeah, definitely one of the most active, just behind Nvidia. It could even surpass it. Yeah, came close again. Came close again. Just right on it now. Okay, yeah. Could this be a buying opportunity? It says gradually departing from its that 10-period moving average, first time in a long time. Returning to challenge that moving average after breaking through it, after breaking through that support. You can still see that the primary demand line is still that 10-period moving average is still serving as a primary demand line. Yes, it hasn't really, it wasn't be just right on it, it's just around it as well. Okay, yeah. Um, let's see how it goes. I'm going to come back to AI stock. So for now, I'm going to end this session. Yeah, so thank you very much for joining in this live session.